everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a very exciting unboxing for you. Tis right here.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I do a lot of videos on luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, but mostly handbags. I love those. So if that sounds good to you, if you like that idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, guys, let's jump on into the video. So this unboxing is very exciting for me because I have been wanting this bag for quite some time. It's definitely more of a casual bag, and the reason why I got this is because, listen, I love my Chanel bags, I love my Dior bag, but sometimes I feel like it's very just fancy to carry to IHOP. You know, and I don't have any other kind of bag. Like, I don't have a more casual, how do I open this? I don't really have more of a casual style kind of bag. So I was like, I really feel like I need a casual bag because the other bags that I have are quite expensive and I feel just weird walking around, you know. So I got a more casual style bag. I'm very excited about it, and it's one that I've actually wanted. I believe it was in my wish list, like one of the first luxury-ish type videos that I did. I believe it was on my wish list. And so that's very exciting. I ordered this from Nordstrom. Oh, I even got a little bag. How cute. Look, and you can see already who it's by. As you can see right here, this is a Mulberry bag, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I don't know why these things don't come with a box. You know, like when I ordered, I didn't order this directly from the Mulberry website. I ordered this from Nordstrom. Maybe the bag is sent from the Mulberry factory, like warehouse dispatch thing. I don't know, but it's weird that I didn't get a box. Like when I ordered from Saint Laurent's website, I got the entire Saint Laurent box and everything, and I wish they would have given me a box. But I got a cute little bag, so that's nice at least. So you're gonna know what kind of bag that I got from the title of this video, but you don't know what color I got. So go ahead and quickly just comment down below if you want to what color you think I got, and then, you know, comment again if you were correct. I don't know, just fun engagement stuff. Let's see. Oh my goodness, okay. I'm afraid to like hurt something. I don't want to hurt anything. It's got like a little saying in the bottom. It says, from the celebration of our modern heritage to the choice of a distinctive and timeless shade of green, Mulberry is proud to be part of the British landscape. How cute. I do love this shade of green. I didn't realize that this shade of green was like their signature color. I really like it. Okay. One thing that I am very happy that I did get though is I got a little dust bag, because this bag is 1,000,000% going with me to New York when we go. So I can wear my Chanel bags and like my Dior. Well, I think I'm only gonna take 3 bags, but I could wear the more fancier ones when we're doing fancy things, and I can wear this one when we're just like, you know, out. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my god, she's literally the cutest thing in the entire world. Oh, look at her. Oh, she is precious. This is the Mulberry Mini Alexa, and it is in the shade Chestnut. I was going back and forth for weeks trying to figure out what color I wanted, if I wanted this color or the chalk color. They're both really great. How do you undo this? Oh yeah, okay, so it's got little buttons right there, little magnet buttons, and then it's got like a twist turn lock right here, like a classic flap, and then you open her up. Oh, she's so cute. And then it looks like right here, maybe like authenticity card kind of stuff. So you can of course use this bag as a little top handle just like this, or what I would probably do, and what I assume most people do, I don't know, but I would assume they do, is you have this little strap so that you can wear it crossbody. And it is adjustable, I think. Let me double check to see if she's adjustable. She is. So it's like a belt situation, like a belt buckle, belt loop situation right here. So all you gotta do is just undo the belt, and then you can, shimmy it up to the next little hole. And I just put this on the longest hole that it could go on. Let me point you down. Here you go. I put it on the last hole, like not the last, but I put it on the last one going up top. So this would make it longer, this would make it shorter, so I put it on the shortest setting just so it would sit like right at my hip like this. Oh, look, she's precious. She's so cute. She's so casual, so everyday. I'm obsessed. Let me go ahead and see what I can fit in her. All right, I scooched you over here to our like fitting section, and I want to show you what is inside or what can fit inside. And just to take a look at this leather really quick, it is so beautiful. It is a very it's a big grain, so you can see like the wrinkles, the grains inside of the leather. It's a larger grain, but it's really pretty. It's a beautiful color as well. And then the inside of the bag looks like this. You have a smaller little compartment right here to put something. Then you have this big open space in the front. So starting off, of course, I have my phone, and let me see, can I fit my phone in this? No, I can't. Nope. So my phone's just gonna go back here like normal. So we've got her in there. I've got my card holder, of course, she'll go in with no problems. I've got my key holder right here as well, and this should be able to slot in, no issues, very good. And then I've got a lip balm right here. You could use lipstick, or you know, you could switch it up and use something else. And then I have a pair of sunglasses right here that will just fit right in the back. And I do think you could fit other stuff in here. Again, I don't really carry that much, so I feel like me putting stuff in here is a bit minimal. There is definitely more room in here to fit more things, but I easily think that you'd be able to fit like a fragrance in here, like a travel size fragrance, or even like obviously a mask, but you could fit a lot of stuff in here. There's plenty of room still down in there. So yeah, but it does fit quite a lot for being a mini style bag, so I do think it's definitely very roomy. Okay, so now that you've seen what fits inside, we can talk about like price and stuff. I don't really know how much people want to know the price of bags. I don't know, but I do think sharing the price is beneficial. Sometimes I think some people really do want to know the price, and the people that are going to be watching this video might be more, I don't know, understanding, because I do understand, you know, buying bags like this, it's not, I don't need a bag like this. You know, people, we don't need designer luxury bags like this. We just, I like them, and if you watch this video, you probably get it and you like them too. But I still think it's important to talk about pricing and everything. So this bag was $1,200 US, and you know, compared to like a Chanel, it's insanely inexpensive compared to that, but it's definitely in a luxury price point. They're all in a luxury price point, but it is more on like the lower end of luxury, if you will. But gosh, look how cute she is. She's gonna be my new everyday bag, and I am absolutely obsessed with her. I can't wait to take her to like Kroger and Target, and it's just gonna be great. I know that I started talking about this in the beginning of the video, and I think I just forgot. Like, I was talking about it and then I got distracted and spoke about something else, but I really was debating between this color and the chalk color, which is more of like a white. I'll put it up here. They have loads of different colors. They have like a color that's this green, which is stunning. I love it so much, but I ultimately decided to go with the chestnut color because, oh my gosh, I love my neutrals, you guys. I love neutrals. I love brown. Brown's like a very boring color to a lot of people, and I do understand that, but I just love it. I love this color in particular. It's so great. But I do think that the chalk color is beautiful as well. It's more of a whitish shade, so it's gonna match more. I think this will match pretty much everything too. It is a neutral, but I know some people will prefer a white neutral than like a dark neutral, so yes, I really hope they enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!